Rais William Ruto nyuma ya kunyuithwa muuma na kunenkerwa mathaga jotongeria ni aritite ntumiri yawe ya mbere iria yonekene gukenia akenya baria bakwizite gukujira mambura jaja kianine gya Kasarani. Akiari Ruto ni ataririte buria akubanga gukiria uchumi bwa nthiguru na kurwana na mpanga ya MPARA, akiuga ate urimi nibu akethirwa akinenkera kanya ka mbere na aria atumirite ati kwambiriria kiumia twitite maguri ja fertilizer jakethirwa jakene kwa kuma kiumia twetete kuma chiringi ngiri 3,700 mwanka ngiri 3,500. Ruto nkroki na inyerete ati agokiiria biashara cia ANTU bateke akiromba thirikari cia county kugwatanira nawe na kinya gutiga kuthangikia biashara baba. ANTU ni awe munini wa Rais Rigathi Gachagua ni aritete miario ya kumeneria wathani bwa Uhuru Kenyatta, akiuga ati thirikari yao etetikiria rwangirwa ukaria gutumirwa gisiasa. Miario kinyeria igwati mbaru ni Dr. Ruto.
To the first oath.
Nyuma ya kunyuithwa muumana na gutwika rais wa batano wa nthiguru ya Kenya, Rais William Ruto ni aririe akenya baria bagweterete na wirigiro bunene kunyierwa goro ya uturo ni untu into ne bitete bunene. Haria nandi Rais Ruto augite akambiriria na urimi na njira ya kunyia maguri jambolea na kinya gutigira mbeo iria ciagirite ni kuoneka mono thaiji turi akue kimerene kia mbura inini.
Our priority intervention, therefore, is to make fertilizer, good quality seed, and other agricultural inputs affordable and available. For the short rains, we have already made arrangements to make 1.4 million bags of fertilizer available at Kenya shillings 3,500 for a 50-kilogram bag, down from the current 6,500. This fertilizer will be available from next week. To cushion tea farmers, we have made arrangements with KTDA to immediately supply tea farmers with fertilizer at 3,500 shillings, down from Kenya shillings 5,600.
Nongerete kenda kugeria kunyianyia wagi bwa ngugi Kenya ni kugwata mbaru biashara na gutigira kuri na riera ririega ria kuritira ngugi na kwithirwa kuri na mutaratara jomwega jwa gukoba guciukiria
is to create a favorable business and enterprise environment, decriminalize livelihoods, and support people in the informal sector to organize themselves into stable, viable, and credit-worthy business entities. This is the essence of the bottom-up economic model, which creates a path for traders and entrepreneurs to build linkages, experience safety, and enjoy security as they go about their enterprises. We will work with county governments to create frameworks that provide secure trading places in our cities and in our towns.
Na kinya kwambiriria kigina kiria agwita Hustler Funds.
We shall implement the Hustler Fund, dedicated to the capitalization of micro, small, and medium enterprises through chamas, SACCOs, and cooperatives to make credit available on affordable terms that do not require unnecessary collateral.
Kagitenio kau naritete watho bwa poti njomo iria yaritirwo Mombasa na guikwa Naivasha echokwe orenge Mombasa kenda guchokia ngugi iria ciari ikura.
This afternoon, I will be issuing instructions for clearing of goods and other attendant operational issues to revert to the port of Mombasa, as I made a commitment to Kenyans. This will restore thousands of jobs in the city of Mombasa.
Thirikari ya Ruto nkuruki iri na mutaratara jomwega jwa kuria marandu. Kintu kingi kia mwanya ni gukara nthi na kubangania mutaratara jomweru jwa kithomo jwa CBC.
I will establish an education reform task force in the presidency which will be launched in the coming weeks. It will collect views from all players in line with the constitutional demand of public participation, and we are particularly alive to the anxieties of parents on the twin transition of the last 844 class and the first CBC class in January next year.
Hamwe na gutigira mbeca ni gukinyira kaunti kagita karia kagirite kenda weti na mbere bote kareme. ANTU niawe munini wawe Rigathi Gachagua ni ajukite kanya kau na gucokeria Murungu nkatho.
The obstacles that have been placed before you on your path to leadership were insurmountable. But because there is a God in heaven, today, an ordinary child, born by ordinary parents, brought up in an ordinary village, brought up in an ordinary way, growing up in an ordinary manner, because there is God in heaven, he is the President of the Republic of Kenya and Commander-in-Chief of the Defense Forces. I want to tell the people of Kenya, President William Ruto and all of us who have worked with him, take no credit for this victory. It was not possible for us to win this election. It was through the hand of God that today an ordinary child has been sworn in as president.
Akiuria Akenya bete na mbere na kumurombera.
Please continue praying for him and his team to be able to start the economic transformation of this great republic. Our new president and his team have a difficult task ahead. The truth of the matter is that we have inherited a dilapidated economy that is facing almost an economic shutdown. We have a 10 trillion public debt. 6 million Kenyans have no employment. 14 million Kenyans are in CRB. We have a demoralized public service. It is your prayers that will help our president to put up a team and start work from day one to liberate this country economically and put it back to where President Mwai Kibaki left us 10 years ago.
Akethirikiria na ugite ati akachiritaniria kuritera Kenya ngugi.
I know I am getting in shoes that are almost impossible to fill. The performance of William Ruto in his first term, when he was allowed to serve the people of Kenya, was on another level. Please, I beg the people of Kenya, I beg the people of Kenya not to measure me with the performance of William Ruto, because you might get disappointed. I'll try. I may go up to 60 or 70%, but filling the shoes of this man is no small feat.
Maureen Kinya, Wero TV.